Hello, hello, everyone. It's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, introducing a brand new collection. It's called Tiny Tales and Tummy Time. It's really, really cute. It is obviously a baby dino inspired collection. I think of this one as a gender neutral set. It features soft shades of green and the cutest little baby dinosaurs that I have ever seen. It is just so darling. We've got some really beautiful cover pages here, which keep the cover of your album super simple however, with lots of detailed layering within the design so that you don't have to have a bunch of bulk on the cover. I really love that about the Paper Phenomenon collections, that it gives you lots of cover page options and ideas. Look at these beautiful muted greens. This is absolutely perfect, guys. It's designed to help you capture every single milestone from birth through baby's first birthday. It's packed with perfectly coordinated embellishments that I'll show you right now, just showing you these papers, how beautiful they are. So the embellishments just make your memory keeping so super fun, sweet, simple, special, all of the things. And it's just so adorable. I love it so very much. Look at this. Oh my gosh, look at these beautiful greens. How darling. The perfect stripes in this collection. A beautiful check. Just darling. Look at this. Look at this. How fantastic. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Did I say that already that I love it so much? So as you can see, you get lots of papers in the collection. I can keep on going, trying to go super quick so you can see everything in here. I love this simple black print here with the white background. So just spectacular. Of course, with all of my collections, you get pocket cards. This one is super special because you get this sheet of 3x4s. Look at this, how gorgeous. You also get 3x4 journaling cards, and you also get 4x6 pocket cards. And then, of course, all of the embellishments. The embellishments are also absolutely special because let me just show you here. So you get all of the milestone tabs. So these are tabs for you, not just sentiments. So you can make a really fun project. And wait till you see the project I have coming up with this collection. You're going to lose your marbles. But it also has all of the months. Look at this, from 1 all the way through 12. So takes you all the way through baby's first birthday. It has amazing sentiments, just really cute. And these are printed at 12x12. So these are perfect for those who make scrapbook layouts. So you get these gorgeous titles right here. They're really bold and they make an impact. I love the months as well. Really large in the 12x12. They're bold and they make an impact. But let me show you if you print it at 8x8, all right? So then this is what your titles will look like, a lot smaller. The months also a lot smaller if you do if you print at 8x8. Now, this is something I normally do not do, but I would like to know if you're interested in this printed for you. I want to know if you would like it in an 8x8 or a 12x12. Leave me a comment down below if you're interested in uh me having a printed collection available for you guys. So look at these baby dinosaurs. Look at these darling little dinosaurs. How adorable. I really don't want to take out the things from my embellishment holder here because I am going to mat the project I made for this gorgeous collection. I just wanted to show you the collection before I put it all into a project and you can't really see the gorgeous elements. Look at these frames. Oh my gosh. I'll just take them all out so you can see them all. Look at these frames. Is this not something special? Everything I printed mirror image so that when I want to use something mirror image, I have it available to me. It's ready to rock and roll. So that is just absolutely adorable. These frames, these baby dinosaurs. Oh my gosh. They are just the most darling little guys ever. I just absolutely love it. So as you can see, you get the basic baby things that you see right here. And then so so much more to finish off your pages. Another thing I love about this collection is the faux washi strips. How fun are these faux washi strips? Remember these? There's also the embellishment cut files available for all of my collections. Thank you, Jane. If you want to get your pieces cut in this beautiful detail, just like me, look at this crib. Look at that. All of the detail cut out for you because of those cut files that Jane created for us. So just really darling. Look at the rocking horse. How fun is this rocking horse? Right? I love it so much. The detail in here. Kim, oh my goodness, Kim, you did an amazing job with this collection. You also get envelopes, lots of fun envelopes in this collection. Look at this one with the scalloped edge. How fun. Look at this one. So really fun envelopes here, coin envelopes, so large, medium, and small, all sorts of envelopes. The collection is amazing. Now, what I will tell you, if I have this collection printed, I don't know that I'll be able to fit all of this in the collection because, let me show you. I'll try my best. Wait a minute, where is it? I'll try my best. I'm sure I can. Because we have the mirror image for you guys. Look at this. So you know how I say print a mirror image? It's included in the embellishments for you. So look at this. Anything that doesn't have words has a mirror image. So there are the envelopes. I also want to point out one more thing. Do you see all the white space here? That is key for cutting with your cutting machines. Like, for instance, the scan and cut is very, very temperamental. So instead of cramming embellishments in here, we left a lot of white space so that the scan and cut can, specifically the scan and cut, can identify the images and cut them out so much easier with all of the white space. Okay, so look at even the mirror images for the dinosaurs are included in the digital collection and will be included in the printed collection as well. So lots of fun things happening. Look at all of the mirror images, guys. Look at that. That was important for me to show you. So happy I remembered. So all of the mirror images are included in this collection. Look at your pocket cards. Oh my gosh. Let me show you what these look like cut because it's just too stinking good. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Tiny Toes Big Dreams. Little Miracle. Welcome to the world. Bundle of Joy. Snuggles and Giggles. And A Star is Born. Very, very cute. The 3x4s are also super fabulous with tiny roars and tiny toes. The sentiments are just so good. Growing up one roar at a time. So listen, it's perfection. If you need a baby collection, if you're looking for something that anything like this, or maybe if you're not looking for it and you love it, go to my shop, paperphenomenon.com, and pick up your digital collection and let me know if you want the printed so I can do a pre-order and I'll know exactly how many to get and of course some extras for the shop. But the thing I love to do this because I don't ever want to sell out quickly, right? Sometimes I'll just put a number in the shop, I'll order whatever I order and then I sell out. So if I know approximately how many I should get and then extras for the shop, it works out perfectly. It's a win-win and nobody gets upset. So 8x8 collection printed or 12x12 collection printed. Let me know. Remember, when you get the digital, you can print yourself if you have a printer at 12x12 and 8x8. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. And check out Tiny Tales and Tummy Time, paperphenomenon.com.